cooking with Erica and Jackson, and again, Jackson is still not here. So,
hi, I'm Megan Rowe.
Okay, today we're going to be making Thai peanut noodles. So we have our ingredients. We have a package of chicken ramen noodles. The recipe calls for chicken, but we have pork. This is chicken. We have some peanut butter and some soy sauce. Some light soy sauce because we're healthy. Okay, so first, you're just going to make your ramen noodles according to the package.
To actually creating things.
Because we are back, and Megan, we have our bowl of ramen, and Megan's gonna add the seasoning packet. We saved a little bit of cup of water, so when we start making this stuff, it'll be all good. So, in here, we have our peanut butter. And we're gonna mix it in with our chicken.
And when you stir it, you want to make sure that you get a good, nice 360-degree
Rotation.
When you,
hands.
and then you're gonna go counterclockwise. That's clockwise. Counterclockwise, and you want to go clockwise.
All right, so we got that, and you gotta add a little bit of your pasta water to kind of dilute it, whatever that word.
Dial up.
We're gonna add a little dash of soy sauce.
We are recording. Red lights on.
She's all mixed.
Okay, my ramen's really tangled and I can't.
Just pour it into here. This is a bigger bowl. Now we're gonna add our ramen to our plate of our bowl of chicken.
Our bowl of fun.
And we're gonna mix. Okay, well that's about it. Okay, so those don't look the same. Just taste it. It's just like chicken and butter.
I can't tell.
Is it like
It tastes like what you think it would taste like.
peanut butter and ramen?
Yeah.
Is it like nasty? Like would you eat this?
With the looks of it, no. But if I had a blindfold on, yeah.
There's
We'll just stick it in for 3 and see what happens.
not
Stir
that
fry.
much.
This is stir fry.
Our ratios may be a little bit off.
That's okay though. It'll still be great.
Oh, shoot, I got peanut butter on my computer. Why does it not look like that?
Oh,
I think we need more soy sauce.